Today, we are thrilled to showcase this incredible property that truly defines the essence of convenient living, luxurious finishings, spacious interiors, and affordability. Nestled in the heart of Molino, Bacoor, Cavite, this location offers a perfect blend of urban accessibility and the serene suburban living. With easy access to major thoroughfares such as Molino Boulevard, Molino area, and Anghari Road, and also easy access to major establishments such as SM Bacoor, SM Molino, Perpetual Health Molino, and other schools, hospitals, and malls here in Bacoor, Cavite, you will find that convenience is at your doorstep. So if you're in search of a perfect location, complete finished turnover, spacious living area, and affordable house, you've come to the right place. Join me today as we give you a tour of Kathleen Place 5 and discover why this house should be the start of your new chapter in Bacoor, Cavite. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Leslie Lazarte, your friendly real estate broker. Today, allow me to feature this very beautiful Kathleen Place 5 in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Now, the exact location of this beautiful complete finished townhouse is in Molino 7, Bacoor, Cavite. So, like I said, the house comes in complete finish. This is a two-story townhouse, and we have here the end unit and we have the inner unit. Let's start first with the inner unit. Now, this Kathleen Place townhouse inner unit has a lot area of 60 square meters and a floor area of 111 square meters. By the way, that is the total usable area, 111 square meters. Napakalaki po, no? This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. This also has a laundry and service area at the back. Yung property line ninyo na 60 square meters would be from here, yan, mula po dito hanggang dito. Yan. So it's very beautiful, very modern, and very premium ang bahay. And not only that, I'm very happy to say that the house comes with fence and gate. Kasama na itong nakikita ninyo na gate, di ba? Napakaganda. Metal painted yung gate natin and sementado yung ating mga fence. And what you see here is also the same with our end unit. Now, for the Kathleen Place 5 end unit, here at my back, the lot area, minimum lot area is 90 square meters and the total usable area is 114 square meters. Now, this Kathleen Place end unit features 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 2 carport. And since this is an end unit, meron ka pang space sa gilid. Mamaya papasukin natin ang bahay. So like I said, the house is complete. Kasama itong painted metal gate natin and kasama na rin yung bakod. So may fence na rin tayo na kasama. So let's go ahead and check out the inside of Kathleen Place 5. So pasukin natin si Kathleen Place 5 here in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Let's go and check out first the Kathleen Place 5 inner unit. Again, the house has a lot area of 60 square meters and a total usable area of 111 square meters. So the house comes in complete finish and it's very beautiful, very modern. The color combination is cream, yan, dark brown for the firewall. You have the cream and you have this tangerine and very nice color of the eaves. Yan, meron tayong wood accent for the eaves. For our roofing, it's colored long span roofing. And the house comes in complete finish. Yung fence kasama na, no? Meron tayong bakod. And then yung ating metal gate, painted metal gate, that is part of the turnover. Okay, so the house has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. So it also has this beautiful balcony. So let's go and check out the house. So this is the actual turnover of our fence. So you have here 1 carport provision, then meron kang service door sa fence mo. And this is your carport. So this is the inner unit. Cemented yung turnover natin for the carport. And may outlet na rin tayo for the lights. Yan. So we have a provision for light. So what is nice also about this house is that it comes in complete. The walls are painted white. Hindi siya bare na cement, no? Painted white siya. And cementado na yung carport mo. Kasyang-kasya dito definitely ang mga SUV and van. Yan. Let me show you the size of your carport. Let's start with the main door. The main door is laminated metal door and elevated ang bahay. So, another plus point of this house is elevated siya. So, meron kang 2 steps before you reach your ground floor. So, ito na yung turnover natin for our steps. May tiles na siya and meron siyang granite na accent. So, may accent tile siya. And this is our beautiful main door, laminated metal door, pati yung hamba po natin metal. Ang maganda po dito, hindi yan inaanay. So, lifetime po yan, and you have this lock set. So, once you enter the house, wow! Malawak po yung ating ground floor, very nice, at maaliwalas. That is because you have these big windows on the front of your house. So this is the turnover of our windows. It's powder coated aluminum sliding windows, and not only that, this screen door, yan, may screen siyang kasama. Diba? So kahit buksan mo yung bintana, hindi papasok yung mga lamok, yung mga insekto dahil may kasama na siyang screen. So very nice. Diba? Mga maliliit na details, pero you would really appreciate that in your house. For our flooring, it's 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. And our walls are fully painted finish. Yan, fully painted yung walls natin. And for our ceiling is complete. So we have a receptacle in the center and may provision for the pin lights. So nakaabang na yung mga ilaw para sa pin lights. Diba? Napakaganda. Moving along, this is your living area. Yan, pakita ko lang yung size ng ating living area. So this is your living area. Yan, napakalaki ng living area ninyo. I will be posting the sizes on this video, the measurements. So basically, this is your living area, and later we have a dressed up unit so that you would know kung anong itsura niya. Panalagyan na siya ng mga gamit, mga furnitures, and you can put here your TV. Pwede mo actually ipasarado ito after turnover. Pwede mo siyang palagyan ng TV. And over here is your dining area. So, this one is your dining area and this is your kitchen. So, very nice yung layout ng house because na-maximize talaga yung space, diba? Your stairs is over here and under the stairs, by the way, you can even make this a storage. Pwede mo pa itong palagyan ng storage para marami kang gamit, no, under the stairs. Hindi masayang yung space. So, you have here your living area that is connected to your service area at the back. And this is your kitchen. Like I said, napakaganda ng turnover nitong Kathleen Place 5 because the kitchen comes in complete. Everything that you see in this video is complete. Let's start with the countertop. The kitchen countertop is dark colored, full slab ng granite. So, granite kitchen countertop tayo, 100% pure granite tayo. And you have this kitchen cabinets at the base of your kitchen sa ilalim. Kasama na rin to. So, isa rin sa mga maganda turnover for this Kathleen Place 5 is that semento. Semento yung construction ng ating kitchen. Unlike sa iba na modular. This is very durable. And you have here your stainless sink, gooseneck faucet, and you have your modular cabinets. Ito yung sinasabi natin na gamit na lang ang kulang, malilipatan mo na yung bahay. Because everything is included. You know, kasama yung mga cabinets. Wow, may bag kanina yun. Kasama yung mga cabinets natin. Yan, ang dami pang space, di ba? So, hindi mo na problemahin yung gastos mo pang paggawa ng cabinets. Or if you are located abroad, wala ka nang isipin because the house basically comes in complete. Just get your stuffs and move in, di ba? Yan. So, this is the provision for your refrigerator or your range hood, and this also for those purposes. Moving along, you have here your sliding door that leads to your service area. And another thing that is amazing about this house is that kasama itong screen. So, may screen na kasama, no? May screen ka para sa mga insekto hindi makapasok. So, kahit na inner lot tayo, I do not feel na walang hangin because there are free-flowing ventilation coming from this side of the house and coming from this side also. Dahil may mga screens tayo. Okay, so moving along, let's go and check out the laundry area. So, this is your laundry area. Cemented yung ating laundry and service area. Meron tayong faucet over here. Yan, ipakita ko lang din yung itaas natin. Ayan. So, I want you guys to see this eaves na may design. Yan, very nice dahil kahit maliliit na detail kasama sa bahay, no? Hindi talaga tinipid. Yun din ang maganda dito sa developer, JKY Properties. Never nilang tinipid sa materyales ang bahay. That's proven for many years that I have been selling real estate. JKY Properties is truly an amazing developer. They specialize on small pocket developments. So this is the toilet and bath on the ground floor. So it comes in complete. So you have here your door. And you have here your tiled flooring. You have here your lavatory na pedestal, no? Hindi siya yung nakamount sa wall. Talagang meron siyang pedestal. And you have here your toilet bowl. And you have this stainless shower. Stainless yung ating soap dish. At higit sa lahat, stainless din yung ating tissue holder. Yan. So, napakaganda rin ng turnover ng ating toilet because the tiles is from floor to ceiling. Can you see that? From floor to ceiling. So, that's all over the toilet. Diba? For the inner lot, amounting to 5.2 million in Bacoor. Napakasulit na po niyan. Diba? And by the way, masabi ko na din, no? We have here a window sa toilet na meron ding screen, guys. Lahat talaga may screen. Diba? Ang galing-galing ng developer. Talagang hindi niya tinipid sa materyales yung bahay. That's why, if you are looking for a property in Bacoor and very near Metro Manila, go ahead and check out this Kathleen Place 5 habang mura pa yung price po niya. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the second floor. For the second floor, before we reach the second floor, this is the turnover of our tiles. For our tiles, for the stairs, yan, brown wooden design yung ating ceramic tiles. And your hand railings are painted metal hand railings. Ayan. So, magkabilang portion yung ating hand railings. And your stairs is made of concrete. Yan. Pure solid concrete yung ating stairs. And let's go ahead and check out the second floor. Malawak yung ating hagdanan. It's 1.2 meters yung lapad ng ating hagdanan. And that is again your ground floor. One last look. And let's go and check out the second floor. Yan. Makapal din po yung mga slab natin, no? This is actually your slab and this is the ceiling. Okay, so makapal yung ating slab. The construction material is conventional. Yan, concrete hollow block tayo, conventional. And this is your second floor. So ang maganda po sa house na to, you have 3 big bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a wide hallway. So you have here your hallway. I think this is 1.2 meters. Our flooring is 60 by 60 ceramic tiles, wooden design. And let's check out first the first 2 bedrooms. You have here your bedroom number 1. For our door, laminated yung ating door. So you have here your wooden laminated door. And you have very big bedroom. So yun ang maganda dito sa Kathleen Place 5. Everything is big dahil nga 111 square meters yung usable area natin. And not only that, another major thing about this house is that kasama na itong ating cabinets. Our cabinets is included upon turnover. Look at that. Diba? Very nice. So this is included upon turnover. Talagang wala ka nang ipapagawa na. If you are located abroad, you have to check out this house dahil gamit na lang ang kulang, malilipatan mo na yung bahay. We have ongoing units, di ba? At located lang siya sa Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. By the way, this is your windows, no, for the bedroom, and you have provision for window type na aircon. So, lahat ng rooms natin may mga butas na for aircon. Nakaabang na po yan. So, yan sinasabi ko na maganda, oh. Diba? Yung eaves natin, meron siyang PVC wooden panel. Yan, may design siya. At meron din tayong screen. Yan, may screen din tayo for the windows on the second floor. Let's go and check out bedroom number 2. For bedroom number 2, this is the look. Same finishes tayo, no? You have your windows, you have your aircon provision. We have minimum of 2 outlets, no? Each room may 2 outlets tayo, and you still have your built-in cabinets included. So let me show you what the cabinet looks like for bedroom number 2. So basically, same lang yung sukat ng mga cabinets natin for all bedrooms. But still, it's very nice that you have included built-in cabinets upon turnover. So very affordable pa to guys for 5.2 million. Bacoor. 3-bedroom complete with cabinet, fence and gate. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Go check out this house. And we have your toilet and bath on the second floor. Mas malaki yung toilet and bath natin. Parehas lang din ang turnover natin. You have your tiles. It's 30 by 30 ceramic tiles. You have your lavatory with pedestal. And you have your outlet for blower, for dryer. And you have here your toilet bowl and your stainless shower. Yan ang itsura ng ating stainless shower. Stainless lahat guys. Maganda yung quality. You have your soap dish. And you have your tissue holder. And what I really like also about this house is that meron siyang outlet for heater na nakaabang. Okay? So, dalawa din yung ating floor drain. So, kung palagyan mo man to ng shower enclosure, okay na okay, walang problema. Okay, moving along, let's go check out the biggest room for this house, the master's bedroom. Wow! Napakaganda, very wide at very big talaga yung ating master's bedroom. The master's bedroom has an access to your balcony. This is your balcony. Ongoing yung construction, baka matanong po ninyo, yan na po yung ginagawang construction dito. This is already the entire project. It's a very small community. Maliit lang yung community natin here in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. Kung familiar kayo sa Gawaran area, and as you can see here, that's already the River Drive. Napakalapit lang po natin sa River Drive, guys. So, it means na any point in Bacoor, madaling-madali mong mapupuntahan because of the River Drive. So, this is the master's bedroom. It comes in complete. And you have here your provision for 2 outlet, and your cabinet. So, same lang din yung cabinet natin. I think mas bigger yung cabinet natin for the master's bedroom. Yan. So, pakita ko lang din. So, that is your master's bedroom. For the balcony, may tiles na rin siya. Then, yung door natin, meron na rin siyang screen door. Yan. Meron din siyang screen na kasama. May kasama siyang screen. And meron na rin tayong tiles for our balcony. Let's go and check out the dressed up model for Kathleen Place 5.